The rumored Nokia Turbo Pro 5G is speculated to be a high-performance smartphone featuring a 6.8-inch 4K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, protected by Gorilla Glass 7 for durability. Powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 of 4 chipset and paired with up to 16 GB RAM, it aims to deliver flagship-level performance for gaming and multitasking. Camera capabilities could include a 108MP or 200MP primary sensor with Zeiss optics, alongside ultra-wide, macro, and depth lenses, while a 48, 64MP front camera might cater to high-resolution selfies. A massive 7,500 to 8,000 mAh battery, with 150W wired/65W wireless charging, is rumored to support extended use, complemented by IP68/IP69 water/dust resistance and MIL, STD, 810H rugged certification for toughness. Other potential features include 5G/Wi-Fi 6E, under-display fingerprint scanning, and stock Android with long-term updates. While leaks suggest a mid-range price, $450 to $670, and a late 2025 release, these details remain unconfirmed. Nokia's current confirmed flagship is the XR21 5G, a rugged alternative without these specs.